Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And after having unboxed and set up our Google Pixel 6 Pro, in this case, this is my one, which is sort of sunny in colour, I got a case for it, which I'm going to now unbox and set up and give you a quick review of here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So this was ordered on Amazon. It came next day delivery, so it was already available. And it's a silicone case that should provide some protection, not just to the back, but to the camera bump as well. And on the inside, it's not just silicone, there's some felt here which softens the back of the phone and avoids it getting scratched if any dust or dirt were to get in here. So let's pick up our Pixel 6 Pro by Google and just slot it in. And it seems to be fitting nicely. So on the back, you are covering up that lovely sort of sunny or kind of sunshine colored smartphone with it. But let's see if the buttons work. So on off does. It takes a bit of a push to get there, but yep, it works. And let's check the volume. It goes up and it goes down. There's no stickiness, but you definitely need to make a conscious effort to press those buttons, which is not necessarily a bad thing. It will avoid you making accidental touches when using it. In terms of the front of the screen, because it's a curved screen, it's curved at the edges and it's curved at the top as well, there seems to be little or no protection for your screen itself using this case. So if you were to put your phone face down on a surface, it's quite likely it will get scratched. I currently don't have a screen protector on mine. There is none pre-installed on the Pixel 6 Pro as it comes out of the box, but I will be ordering some on Amazon in the coming minutes, and we'll be doing some videos on those here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel as well. But the good news is that the camera module, the camera bump at the back, or the camera visor, is slightly raised. It is definitely more raised than the front of the phone. So if you were to put it down back first on a flat surface, you'll be less likely to damage it. But either way, we recommend putting your phone face down on this sort of surface where possible if you don't have some sort of protector on it. In terms of the top, you have a cutout for the microphone. At the bottom, you have a cutout for the speakers and the USB Type-C port. And that's about it. So you have all the appropriate cutouts, and it is a slimline case that does the job. What I'll do is leave a link in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon. If you were to purchase it on Amazon from that link, you'd also be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks, as it's an affiliate link. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of our Google Pixel 6 Pro coverage, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.